Today we're taking /summon command in Minecraft to the next level. We're gonna make baby animals, different colors of animals like sheep and axolotls. This video is gonna be packed with so much awesomeness. Let's dive in. If you watched my /summon short, you saw that at the end I said you can add more stuff, but well, this is that part. You can skip ahead to the end of the basics, which I marked. Here are the basics. /summon axolotl. Summon new axolotl. Now that we know the basics, I'm going to teach you about custom aging. You can make axolotls that are babies by doing summon axolotl tilde. These squiggly lines are tildes. And then we can go age -200. And this is a baby axolotl, but it will grow up in 10 seconds. So it's 20 ticks per second, and this is age and then ticks. So this is 10 seconds. So now we have a grown axolotl. There are different colors. This one is not called pink, it is called leucistic. There's a bunch of other colors. There are 5 different types. We could also do this to like cow. I said cows, but then I typed cows. Do this to cows, and then it will grow up in 10 seconds. Could do this to chickens. We can do this to pigs. If you want to know how I'm getting to this so fast, is because I already typed the stuff. Then I press chat button and then up, since I'm on Computer Java Edition. Now we're on variants and special mobs. What I mean by that is you can summon like different color of sheep. Like if we want to go summon sheep, and then we do tilde. Remember tab, and then go curly bracket. Color, we can choose from 0 to 15. I choose 6 because this is the rarest sheep. Pink sheep. You know how it always spawns like leucistic axolotls and all the other 3 colors? That 4th color of axolotls, it's called the variants of axolotls. So I can go variant 4. This is the rarest axolotl, the blue axolotl. You can also do axolotls from the bucket. And then one showing yes. This is just like I spawned it from a bucket, except there's no water because someone can't place blocks. So you know how like these despawn over time? Unless they're name tags. Since these are from like buckets, I heard that they don't really do that. we can also do like different types of mushrooms. Like we could do the brown mushroom. So if you want the brown mushroom, then you go summon mushroom, type brown, and brown mushroom. Voila, this is really rare. Today we created baby animals, blue axolotls, pink sheep, brown mushrooms in seconds with /summon. What command should I try next? Comment your idea, subscribe, and like the video, and I'll feature it in the next video. I got this video idea from a commenter named Ryan Perkins 1633. Bye.